Is it right for the Philippine government to leave the trial of the case facing former President Rodrigo Duterte to the ICC? This is the answer of attorney Vic Rodriguez.
That has always been the contention, Chacha. Are we saying that our courts are not functioning? Why would you let a sovereign jurisdiction step in and get the custody of a former president who served well, tapos doon pabibistahan? Bukas naman ang lahat ng ating piskalya. Bukas lahat ng ating korte, accessible nga yan all the way hanggang Supreme Court. So nasaan ang jurisdiction ng ICC? ICC will only step in if there is a failure by the signatory state, when we were still a signatory or party to that Rome Statute, na meron tayong inability to prosecute and execute, implement, and enforce the law of the land. Are we saying na hindi natin kaya ang mag-imbestiga? Nandiyan ang CIDG, who is very active lately. Nandiyan ang NBI, nandiyan ang Ombudsman. If we're talking about investigation for purposes of prosecution. At nandiyan naman ang MTC, RTC, Court of Appeals, Court of Tax Appeals, nandiyan ang ang Sandigan Bayan, nandiyan ang Supreme Court. So, what are we suggesting here? Bakit kinakailangan ng foreign jurisdiction to intervene and step on the sovereignty of our judicial process?